Hey there, imagine a situation where someone is in designer mode in Webflow and in the midst of redoing and undoing some of their designs, they inadvertently stumble upon this. And now the entire designer interface is in black and white. Well, not pointing any fingers, but the reason that this is happening is because instead of hitting Command Shift Z or Command Z, one of their fingers slipped and they accidentally hit Command Shift X. What Command Shift X does is it turns designer into X-ray mode, hence why everything turned black and white. So a simple way to toggle between X-ray mode is Command Shift X to go into it, and then Command Shift X to go back into normal view. So there you go. Hope this helps. Talk to you next time.